Alright, welcome back to level 2, and we're going to be looking at level 2. So get right into it. We entered the tunnel. The first thing that we see is a duck. I don't know if you can call it a duck or a unicorn duck. Anyways, if you know the name, please text below. But we have our ammo and we have a bit of guns here. 10 bullets, I should say. We've got 10 bullets here. If we try to shoot, I think we're able to. Let's try to aim at it. Excuse me? What is it saying? Excuse me? What the fuck are you? What the fuck is your problem? Okay. Are you dead? Okay. Let's try to shoot it and see if we can. Oh my god, I'm running out of bullet. Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay. So we are dead. Alright. So how do we actually bypass this level? I think that's the reason why we are all here. Let's restart this and try to see what we can do here in order for us to bypass the level. So in the first level, we managed to actually increase our health here. And that's how we managed to get this gun. Now, we have a duck and it seems like it keeps following us as we keep shooting. And we need to kill it because the more we keep shooting, it keeps following us, and the moment it reaches towards us, it seems like it's going to force us to fall out of the canvas. Okay, so we're still at 90. Okay. Oh my god. So the bullets, our health is still there, but the only problem is, the only issue we have is the bullets. We're running out of bullets and we can no longer shoot it before it throws us out of the canvas. So how do we increase this value? Now, same thing that we had on the level 1. This value here is dynamic because the moment we start shooting, as we can see, it also decreases, which simply means this value is dynamic. Now we're going to load our cheat engine once again and see what can be done here. So this is our previous variable, and let's see if we can okay, I think we can still leave it here. There's no problem. We're just gonna do a new scan. So now we're gonna do a new scan. So we clear out everything, and now we are searching for the 9. As you can see on my corner here, we are searching for 9 as a value of bullet. So let's see if we're able to track this. Hopefully we'll be able to do that. We're gonna keep everything the same. The only thing we change is the value of 9, and then we're gonna do our first scan. Oh my god, this is more than we expected. Last time we had 9,000 for the first level. Now we have 78,000 results. This is crazy. Now we need to narrow this down to this one particular bullets for this particular value. So like I said, the first thing that we noticed that the value is dynamic. So it simply means all we have to do is to go in the game and shoot. And when it changes to 8, as you can see on my right corner here, now we can go back to our cheat engine and actually insert a value of 8 there and redo this level and rescan it. So we're gonna go on next scan, not new scan, but next scan. So when you do next scan, it means you're still tracking the same value. So we did our next scan here. We reduced from 9 something to 24,000. Okay, let's keep tracking it. We're gonna shoot again. Now we are 7 bullets, and when we change our value now to 7 and do next scan, what we have, okay, so we have reduced to 3,000. That's better. So we're gonna do another bullet here. We shoot again. So we don't want to shoot this because if we shoot this, it's gonna come at us and throw us out of the canvas. So we don't want that. So all we want to do here is to make sure that we have the values. So now we're at 6. We can track 6 as well. Let's do the next scan again. Okay, this is good. We have 3 values. So if we have 3 values, I think we can work with this. We're just going to highlight them and throw them down here. Now we need to find out which value is the right one. So we're going to change the first value. So let's call this value. Let's name them. So we're going to call this V1, right? Just to give them proper description. And this one we're going to give it V2. And click OK. And this one is going to be V3. All right. And then when it comes to now the actual value itself, let's try to change it to about how many bullets do we need to kill this thing. Let's give it about 200 just to be safe. We give it 200 bullets. Nothing has changed. Let's try to shoot. Still 5, which simply means nothing changed. Let's go to the second value, and actually it went back to the same thing. So V1 didn't actually change, though it shows us that it is in the same array, because if we're able to change it, and once we did the shooting, it went back to 5 as well, following this variable here, which simply means it's in the same array. So we just need to actually change this value here. Oh, not that. We're talking about the actual value. So let's try to change it to 500. So that is for V2 now. We're now testing V2. So V2 has been tested. We still don't see any changes. We try to shoot. Okay, there we go. 499, as you can see on my right corner here. 499 bullets. Let's go, baby. We're gonna kill you today. Oh my god. Okay, gotta be fast. Okay, let's go. Okay, we need to kill this thing. All right, there we go. We got our flag. That was good. So we just need to jump here. Oops, I already got it. Okay, that's weird. I thought I was supposed to jump. I need to get the gun. All right. So guys, we've managed to pass level 2. That was amazing. We saw how best we could utilize in a scenario of 3 values. So we had V1, V2, and V3, and we had to test the first value, which didn't work. We tested as well the second value, which worked now, and it was able to actually change all the values in our array. And this has managed to give us 400, I think it was 500 bullets, right? So we utilized some bullets there. So let's go to level 3 and see what we have on level 3. We enter into our sewage. Is it sewage or tunnel? I don't know. Okay, this looks amazing. Level 3 looks amazing. Looks like we got a castle there. We got an armor. We got this, our ducky friend here. What's going on here? Let's try to shoot a bit and see what's going on. Okay, it's not following us, but we're running out of bullets, and if we get closer to it, oh, it's following. It's not gonna let us through to shoot it. Okay, I see. All right, so we need to figure out our way in, guys. So for you to be able to do this, I think we still have to utilize cheat engine and see what we can do, and we're gonna be looking at that in our next level, guys. So see you soon on level 3, where we're gonna be looking at how we're gonna bypass this dark and the armor. See you soon, guys.
This is the